So my name is Joseph Speaks. I'm a children teacher. I do with the godly stuff, you understand, about Bible. So my name is Joseph Speaks. So you can see me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Chili, and Facebook. You understand? So that's my name in all social media. When you check it out, you'll see my name. You understand? So thank you so much, David. We really appreciate you for your confidence and everything. God bless you. Thank you so much, David. Yeah. Chili, go and check the app on your Play Store. Chili, check the name of that app. Letter C, H, double E, letter L, double E, Chili. So we check out, that's my social media. Thank you so much from Echo School. I really appreciate you. Bye bye. Yeah. I've been waiting for you guys. Come on. Where are your friends?